think it might be my debut for Hull. Something happened and there was a bit of a scuffle and I can remember Clinton Morrison and he come into my face, he says, ever come to London, I'll shoot you, bruv.
What?
Ever come to London, I'll shoot you, bruv. I thought I'd misheard him. He says, I will, I'll shoot you, bruv. And I'm like, fuck off. Like, fuck off, pal. Christmas do's after, when you were at Wednesday.
Yeah.
Obviously, Clinton Morrison's on me, he's in Dublin. So I said to him, Clinton, have you fetched your gun?
Actually, I got the shooter.
Have you fetched your gun with you, Clinton?
Parky's dressed as a French maid at this point.
Yeah, I got this like obviously female naughty sailor. So whenever I put my nipples in, my balls came out. Whenever I put my balls in, my nipples came out. So basically, and obviously Christmas do it December, mate. Lads are hanging the coats on my nipples and that.
At least they were hanging them on your balls. So.